Okay, so you want to know how to send money from Trust Wallet to Binance or any exchange? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to go to your exchange and press the deposit button. Then here you have to select the coin you want to receive. In my case, it will be Bitcoin. So I choose Bitcoin. And then here I have to go to send here. Press our Bitcoin here. And then you have to select here Bitcoin network, in this case at least, and copy your Bitcoin wallet. Then you paste here, and then here you have to select how many crypto you want to send. In my case, for example, 002. And then when you press the next button here, in matter of a few minutes, you will receive your crypto into your exchange account. So this is very useful. You can do it with Ethereum, for example. So you come here, you find, for example, Ethereum, then you choose the Ethereum network. It says here which network do you have to use, and you do the same thing, the exact same thing with any crypto that Trust Wallet supports. You will be able to do this. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell, and see you in another Easy Way video.